My name is Debbie Scott and I live in Fresno. Originally, I wasn't planning on having an attic restoration done until I decided to get solar panels, and when I was told that I basically had no insulation in my attic, which is 46 years old, I decided to look up Tyson and had them come out. Chris gave me a quote and I added a whole house fan on top of that, and it's amazing. The crew was amazing. They were on time. They kept me informed. They kept my house clean. If they needed me for anything, they just knew where I was. They were very professional, and I appreciate that very much. They were knowledgeable. They let me know everything that was going on, and they kept me informed. And they did a little extra that they probably didn't need to do, but I appreciated everything that they did. I have noticed that my house stays a lot warmer right now. My heater is not running consistently like it has in the past. I'm looking forward to the summer months to see how cool my house becomes, since I do have a new air conditioning unit as well. I've also noticed that my house is not getting as dusty as it has in the past. And I also don't have any odd odors throughout my house, I guess you could say. I would definitely recommend Tyson. In fact, I have already given, I guess you would call the link that I was given. I've already sent that in to like 3 or 4 different people, and they have been inquiring, and I told them 10 out of 10, definitely go with Tyson.